days, have you? Doodah. Oh, mad hair. Right, folks, really sorry we haven't been in touch for the last 2 days. It's been so full on with family.
And she's injured.
And I'm injured. Nothing serious, nothing to...
It's broken ribs, that's nothing serious.
I'm a bit of a lightweight.
Oh, she's got sore legs.
Yeah, I woke up one morning, all my legs were swollen and my ankles were swollen. Took Willow out for a walk and she decided to go one way as I was going the other. And I ended up in a heap on the floor.
On her face.
Yeah, so, and I think I've broke a rib. Ooh, because every time. Breathing hurts, laughing hurts, sneezing absolutely wrecks. Going to sleep, trying to sit up, everything like that. Anybody who's broke a rib, I'm sure they know what it's like because I've done it a few times now. And it's not good. So anyway, we're sorry we've not been videoing for the last couple of days. Partially because of that, but also because we've been to see Simon.
Catch with the children.
Yeah, Mike's youngest.
Catch with the children takes all your time because you have so much to tell you and so much they want to.
My eldest gave us a visit. And the only one we've not seen now is Mike Jr. So we're heading that way now to see him. And then again we're having a meal out with hopefully my two and Mike's youngest.
We was with Simon and
yesterday.
his family, which coincides to be granddaughter Lily and Simon's used to lose a girlfriend because they've fallen out again. But Becky's a lovely girl and she came herself with Lily, the granddaughter, and we had a nice meal together.
But it's beautiful weather. We couldn't have asked for nicer weather at the moment. It's stunning. I mean, a bit clouded over now.
Which is good. Dogs in the back of the car, so
yeah.
It's timber on that house over there.
Yeah. But hopefully it'll stay like this. We've still got a few more days left.
Part of me.
But we're thoroughly enjoying our caravan.
Just heading towards north, which now we're to witness. Oh, I've got to do the bridge as well. The bridge, Mersey Flow.
Are you enjoying our caravan?
Yeah, she's lovely. But then again, so was Madge, our last caravan.
Our last caravan, yeah.
Our last caravan was called Madge because we had an Audi A6 and the red plate was DE53 DOU. Duh. And it kind of stuck that
Homer.
He was Homer and she was Madge.
Out to the Simpsons. Not that we watched the Simpsons.
The kids did. The kids are Madden. The Donna's two boys were Madden Simpsons at the time.
Long time ago, not so much now. But yeah.
So we had Homer and Madge last time, and this time we've got our lovely car Trigger, and we've got our caravan called Dizzy.
Dizzy Izzy.
Like her mum.
But then
Dizzy Donna.
Dizzy Donna, like her mum, yeah. So, we thought we'd give you an update on what we're doing, and we apologise again, sorry for not taking you along for the last few days, but it has been pretty bad. Pretty full on, pretty enjoyable with the kids.
We will give some updates. We've been to a lovely pub twice called the Three Greyhounds, which is just up here as it happens. We'll go to it in a minute.
Yeah.
Just behind Cranage coming towards Loch Dennis.
Avoid the bumps.
In Cheshire. Bumps in the road on Galloway.
Hover.
So we've got the Three Greyhounds. Lovely meal, lovely food.
Yeah, it really was nice food and nice environment, nice surroundings.
That was the first night with.
Dog friendly for anybody who has dogs and wants to take their doggies in. Yeah.
That was the second night with Oliver. With James. The first night with Oliver, we went to somewhere called The Crown, which is not far from here. It has to be 2 miles from here. Must be waiting on.
Oh wow, yeah. Oh.
Good luck to you. Hope it lasts. Yeah, that's what you can say, isn't it?
Yeah.
3 Greyhounds Inn and the old doghouse barn.
Yeah.
So yeah, good place in Allostock. The Crown, lovely place. Food again, fantastic.
We've actually decided that we really like it here because you've got a lot of little villages relatively close by, and they've all got something different. Knutsford's pretty big.
Knutsford we've not really been to, but we used to go to
We used to go to Knutsford all the time because we
lived in Cheshire. It was quite a regular haunt.
Yeah, especially for girls' night out. Well, you're not a girl, sweetheart.
No, it was quite regular.
So yeah, we used to go to Knutsford quite a bit. But as usual, you never ever have a look at what's on your doorstep.
Why did that go?
You did indeed, thank you.
Oh, must be classic carpeting on. That's the second little old vintage freewheeler we've seen.
So it's nice actually getting to see some of the area we used to live around that we never explored when we were here. So it's good.
It's two pubs, aren't we?
Yeah, which ones have we? Oh, we went to an all-day breakfast.
That was a garden centre cafe.
Yeah, little garden centre, and it all
2 miles from the campsite, 10 o'clock till 3 o'clock, all day breakfast. Lovely.
all organic food, all grown locally, and the food was really lovely.
Cakes looked good, but we didn't partake.
No.
I'll do about that possibly tomorrow after cake.
Oh, that'd be nice if we can go back for breakfast. I really enjoyed my breakfast there. You got a sliced black pudding, an egg, a sausage,
tomato, beans, bacon.
Tomatoes, beans, bacon, yeah. A round of toast, but it was a thick toast.
Really nice, really enjoyed it.
It was lovely. It was all fresh.
We don't eat English breakfast very often, but we did have it the first day we was there. It was lovely.
It's holidays. It's holidays. We're allowed to.
Oh, pardon me.
So anyway, as we're saying, we're on our way now to see eldest son, Mike, and then we're going to go and see.
Donna calls him Mike. I call him Mick. Because when he was obviously father and son, same name, it's a bit difficult. So in our house, he was whatever me ex-wife. He was Mickey when he was little. To all the family. He said to a friend of mine, he called him Spud. That's what I used to nickname him sometimes.
So anyway, folks, we'll let you drive around with us a little bit, see what you think of this area.
Oh, we haven't got a smell-o-vision, have we?
No, we haven't got
Just
smell-o-vision.
wow.
This is one of those, slow down, one of those occasions where we really don't want to have smell-o-vision. Proper country smells.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to take you around the caravan park. I'm sure everybody else has already done it. We're not going to go into depth with it. We're staying at the Royal Vale.
Yeah.
In Allostock.
Off the A50.
And it is a nice site.
Big, roomy.
Yeah.
Not big as in lots of caravans, but big as in it's roomy.
Yeah, it's spacious. Pretty park.
It is children, it's adults only.
It's a 5-star, which we didn't know about when we booked it, but now we're spoilt, I think, again as usual.
Cabins are on the back, but the cabins are all private.
Yeah.
Some people have children in the cabins because we heard them squeal at the weekend.
It's electric hookup, water hookup, and drainage.
Waste, yeah.
So you don't have to do anything
Very
boring the
convenient.
toilet.
First time we've used on the caravan, it's very convenient.
Yeah, it is very convenient.
I should imagine it's quite spoiled here.
And it works out quite well because we've got to test all the amenities on the caravan. So showering and things like that, we've had the water to do what we want and the drainage to just let it go. So it's been quite good. what would we say about it? The one thing I would say there's nothing on the actual park. No cafe, no restaurant, there's a little tiny shop for if you forgot.
Is there?
Yeah, but
It's
only
closed, babe. It's been on the reception all day. It's been on about working.
Oh right, well then there's barely anything in it anyway. So there's not a great deal. You always have to go out and get what you want. But saying that, I have seen a few deliveries.
Waitrose.
Yeah, Waitrose and Sainsbury's have delivered to the site 2 caravans. So yeah, I'm sure you can order that. Other than that, what else is there? Nothing really, is there?
Dog walking.
Oh, the dog walking's excellent. You come out of the front gates and there's 2 massive fields that you're allowed to throw your ball and let them
I think it's
off.
part of a walk. This is national walking signs for trekking out the countryside.
If you actually take the walk all the way down the fields, there's a little bridge you go over and then another field.
And a pub at the end.
And then there's a pub
we believe
in Lower
it, yeah.
Peover. So I believe it's lovely. We've been there before many moons ago,
Right.
but not recently. And we're not used to all this traffic either. So it comes as a shock to us when we get traffic.
Sat nav on. Previous.
Caravan, what would we think about our caravan? Have we got any downsides yet?
No.
Not really. Everything seems to be good with it, really enjoying it.
Thank you.
Probably, I don't know really, it's nothing I've found. Have you found anything that's annoying or not quite right?
There's only one thing that frustrates me. I keep kicking my toe on the panel by the door.
Yeah. Because that's just getting
And
to
those people who
snivelly,
remember
yeah.
the old kitchens, every single cupboard had a sticky outlet at the bottom. It's like that because it comes down on the edge. And instead of cutting in at last minute and having a whole flush, which I'll probably save your toes again.
So really, Caravan's brilliant. Only thing we do not like, and the only thing I would honestly change, is the mattress. But since we've got the mattress toppers have worked wonders why I've been poorly with my rib, because they seem to hug me. So, I mean, I can't roll over at all. Once I'm in bed, I'm in and I've got to stay still. So, they've worked out really well. I don't think I could have slept on that mattress. Well, I know I couldn't have slept on that mattress if I had to without the mattress topper. It's just so hard. So once again, coachman, please listen. Don't make your bed so hard.
The thing is, some people like beds, but we didn't have a choice because we bought that one.
I know.
It was a cancelled sale when we got it, wasn't it? So.
Yeah. But other than that, it's lovely. Absolutely love it. Wish we were staying here forever and touring in it forever. Don't want to go back to the island. Don't want to leave. I'd be happy if on Friday we were packing up and going somewhere like the Lake Districts or Somerset or anywhere at all. Just
Have to
somewhere.
make sure Crossers have reimbursed us.
Yeah. So folks, we've yapped on enough. Sorry again, like I keep saying, for the last few days. We will put bits up, but it will be like a small snippet of what's been happening. And we shall take you along definitely tomorrow, because it's just Mike and I tomorrow. Thank goodness we've had a full on. We're meeting our friends of the evening to go for a meal, but then during the day it's just us.
Sorry.
It's alright, darling, it's not your fault. So,
I do appreciate that. We might find 4 bumps in the road, it's not my fault. There's one.
So folks, thanks for joining us again. We'll speak to you later. Bye!
Bye.
But you tried to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the 2 of us together. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got